guys, it's me back here, and today, also, my voice is like really squeaky, I have a very strong accent, like too strong an accent. Anyways, I wanted to talk about the official Roblox star, all caps, video trailers. Those are called only groups that like RIP. But I wanted to review the people in this group. Zeph Plays, Inquisitor Master, people I don't know, sorry to lose people, it's funny, Blinkmon, Mike Your Guardian, Ashley Corn, Zachary, Audrey, Preston Plays, Connor 3Day, Olivia's HD, Veggie, what is this? F3 TV, Landon RB, Elastic Plays, Sabrina, C-Dank, Liam the Leprechaun, Zai That's Play, Chad Allen, I don't know who that is, Dylan the Hyper, Kringley, Twisted Pandora, G Family Gaming, Rated G Rated Family Gaming, I don't know who that is, I don't know. That is Reso Talks, Forsaken, Poke 1, Monkey vs. Roblox. I think that's, I don't know who that is. Freakcraft. What's her name? Sally Gamer. And this is, I don't know who that is. Like, but what I don't get, I want to read the, let's read the like, I made a shirt for the hats, blah 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 blah. Like, this is like their Discord chat, like their public Discord chat. And you know what else they got? I'll click on you, because you have it on. Look. This is the actually top hat. This is the top hat. The official hat given to content creators in the Roblox video program. Oh, anyone wearing this is the real deal. But I want to show you something funny about this top hat. So if you go to the catalog, if you go to the catalog and you go accessories, hats, this hat right here, the green banded hat, these are very old hats. Like, I think these were all made in like 2008 or something. I don't even know. Yeah, let's do the blue top hat. It's really distribution. Let's have a flash. Okay, I'm gonna open this in a new tab. What is this? What? Who was in it that I remember how to spell their name? Russo Talks. Okay, I just remember how to spell his name. I do watch his vlogs though. Don't make fun of me, please. I like their vlogs. Okay, I wanted you to tell me the difference. See this hat? And this hat. This hat. This hat. This hat. This hat, this hat, there's like absolutely no difference. Like, Roblox just didn't know what to do. They had to give them something. They were like, we had to give them something so people will think we're fake. They decided to take the top hat I just showed you, but I got rid of the tab. They took that color, they took the white one and they colored the black one white and added a star to it. That's literally the only thing that they changed. I'm not even gonna lie. like, so And the funniest thing, they didn't even have Dennis Daly. Dennis Daly is probably one of the most songs. Did they just get a new member? Oh wait, no, the owner. Dennis Daly is this guy's a Roblox admin, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Like, no, he's not, but he made the group, so it even looks like this hat. Anyways, like I was saying, Dennis Daly is one of maybe even like the top 20 most in the top 20 of most famous 20K. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Of Roblox or YouTube. He might be like the top 20, like I just said. So and he has Builders Club. Wanna go to his profile? Sure. Okay. Let's do Dennis Daly. Wanna go to his profile? You know what the heck? What is he? I'm not gonna judge this. This is just, I need this look. I'm gonna wear that later. Anyways, Coral Horror, was it any character? Probably. All these friends were YouTubers. Pals. Alex and Dennis. Well, I don't know how to say that, but like, duos. He's not in it. He has Builders Club. So he's allowed to be in there. Like, so why would Roblox invite someone that is so famous and not like people? These people aren't even as close to famous as Dennis. Like, those people, the most is like, I don't know, like 3 million. Dennis has like almost 6 million. Like, Roblox is literally giving, I know, I might know, why all of these people are in. Because Roblox, I think, meant all of these people in, well, they meant most of these people in real life. So that's probably why they were invited. Some of these people want Biloxi Awards, like, this is just wrong. Like, Roblox, you didn't add Flamingo. Dan TDM is way bigger than any of these channels. So where's Dan? Just because Dan doesn't play Roblox that much anymore, who cares? Like, still invite him, because if, like, I think he's made a video. I don't know. But, like, but, like, this is old. Anyways, why would they not have that? Like, I don't think Roblox, I think Roblox is going downhill. Definitely is going downhill. Like, they are definitely going downhill. Because why would they not add that? Like, that's just like a huge part of Roblox. Is Dennis, like, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Leah ending the video.